Hey YouTube, Miles here. Wanted to talk today about a cheap GoPro Hero tripod socket hack. I got this GoPro Hero 6 during Christmas time, and I was very disappointed to see that it doesn't have a tripod socket. So, started looking around on the internet and stuff, and yeah, of course they have one, but you got to pay for it and order it and all that stuff. So I was thinking, oh, I don't want to really spend any more money on a GoPro, so I noticed a little cell phone tripod thing sitting on my desk, and I thought, wonder if that'll work. So I picked it up and I put it in there, and of course the GoPro ain't big enough to fit in there, so it don't work. Then I noticed a pencil eraser sitting on my desk for like pencil drawing and artwork and stuff like that. So I thought, well, I'll just sandwich that in there with the GoPro. And there we go. Simple, cheap, effective GoPro tripod hack. So, there you have it. You heard it here first. I haven't heard anybody else mention this, so we'll catch you later.